Hi folks, welcome back to the channel, Fraser MM0EFI. So that's Craig Nagaver behind me, and today I'm going to attempt it faster and lighter. It's got really mild, so I've shed some kit. Despite it only being March, the temperature's about 15-60 degrees in Glen Shee today. So extremely mild for this time of year. Everything I've got is packed in here. If you want to see how I get on, come along for the ride. Hey, well, I'm not even going to pretend I ran all of that, but I probably jogged up a good 50% of that. I'm not any kind of trail runner, but carrying lighter gear and wearing lighter footwear certainly helps you move a bit quicker in the hills. So there's a kilometre horizontal to go. Unfortunately, that's the top up there, and it's about 400 metres of climbing. So I certainly won't be running the next bit. That's why I've brought the sticks. We're plodding up through Moorburn, which is burnt heather and then rocks at the top. As for the pack, as far as I can recall, I think I've changed 2 or 3 bits of kit since last time. Oh, and I had to chuck the 2 metre beam on because I promised that for a friend. Right, see you at the top. Oh, what a glorious afternoon. Whew. Okay folks, the reveal. It's not cold, by the way. I've just put the shell on because there is a bit of a breeze and it might get a bit cooler later on. Right, we have my sit mat in here with the KX2, but I've made an internal battery for this, a lithium polymer. More about that in another video. Not as powerful, but saves weight. Got water. I have my end-fed half-wave, 1 tent peg, 1 guy rope, and the 49:1 un-un. So the whole thing is in here. I'm going to try and guy it with 1 rope. Some coax, 5 metres. Down jacket, just because. First aid kit with some spare guys, just because. And we have 2 metre handheld, an extendable whip, and the Yagi. I've got some snacks, but the piece de resistance on the new toy is the SOTA beams carbon 6 mast, which packs down to nothing, weighs nothing, and is incredibly strong. The top 2 sections are really quite flexible, but I still think I can get my end-fed half-wave a good 5.5 metres up in the sky with 1 guy. Let's give it a try. Okay, I think I've actually managed to do this. So a quick run through of the setup. Here's the radio, the internal battery, 5 metres of coax, which in effect is guying this walking pole, which has got the un-un on it. I'm really impressed with this mast. I thought it would be flexing a bit more. Single guy rope. I actually should have brought 2 tent pegs with me, Mr. Ultra Lightweight, as we only have 1. We've used some rocks. Okay, let's see what bands are open, get on the air. That's my spot going on VK Portalog. Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India Portable calling CQ Summits on the air, QRZ. Okay, a faint station, go again. Oscar X-ray Alpha, go again with full call sign. Italy, Uniform 0 Oscar X-ray Alpha, good afternoon, and you're 5959, over. Alright, 2 stations on 15 metres. I'm going to try 20 metres now. CQ Summits on the air, CQ SOTA, Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India Portable from Golf Mike Echo Sierra 022 QRZ. Echo Alpha 3 Yankee, good afternoon, and your 4x4 44 over.
Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India Portable. This is Golf Bravo 80 Lima Alpha November GB80 Lima Alpha November QSL.
Yeah, QSL Jonathan. Thanks for the call, mate, and I hope to see you soon, but I better not hold you because I think there's a bit of a pile up, so I'll say 7-3, okay?
Yeah, 73 mate, good luck and safe descent, bye bye.
Okay, QRZ, Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India Portable. Okay, I'm being absolutely drowned out here. This is Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India Portable. I'm going to have to go QRT. Sorry everyone, QRT, bye bye. Somebody with about 200 megawatts decided it was their frequency. Activation abandoned. Time to go home. Post-mortem at the bottom. That's the worst of the descent over, just a kilometre or so to run down the glen. So, summary. Made a handful of contacts on 15 metres, then 20 metres, bit of QSB on those bands. Resorted to go down to 40 to see if I could get some local guys. Twice got forced off my frequency due to big stations coming on, and I just abandoned it. Didn't use 2 metres because the guy I was looking for must have cancelled his activation. Hi M1HAX, hope you're well. And what worked well? End-fed half wave, the little carbon 6 poles, brilliant. I'm really going to use that in the summer. KX2 internal battery, I think I was still running 10 watts, so it hadn't dropped down to 5 yet with the voltage drop. The coax though, I think might be going in the bin. There was an intermittent short or break really in the cable, and the SWR was going crazy on the KX2 unless I hold it a certain way. So, when you're doing SOTA, your kit does get a bit of abuse, but I really haven't used that coax too many times. It's RG58 with a BNC at each end. I went for RG58 because I thought it would be a bit tougher. Didn't want to use anything too thin, so I'll need to remake that. But hey ho, that's what these trips are for. It's a lovely afternoon, good climb. Not the most satisfying activation, but you can't win them all, can you? So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions or comments, stick them below. See if you can subscribe if you're not already, and give us a wee like. I don't often ask, maybe once a year. See you on the next one. 7-3.